Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Statesman is Super Sudoku puzzle on June 20, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. 6th grade. Column B, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will give me another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade. We have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row. 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E and 5th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Sorry, column G only we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 4th row and 2nd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 1. 8th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column I, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 5, 6. 2nd row, we have 5, 2, 9. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 1st grade, 8th row and 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. 10th row and 2nd row, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. 2nd row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 1st grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J and 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. 8th row and 11th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 4. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7, 8. Column F, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, column G, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come in these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 3rd grid, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 6. Column J, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. The 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 8th grid, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 2nd grid, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column G, 8th grid, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.